Daysfriends, Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to attend the Christmas lighting of Taft East. So I'm on my way there. Gikan pa ko sa IT Park na duty. So yes guys, nagsakay pa ko taxi and karon kay like doon na mi. So see you later guys. Hey guys, made it here in Taft East Gate here in Mabolo guys. At bang na siya sa Landers. Guys, nandito si Jelly. Hi Jelly.
Hi. What's up everyone?
Nakita sila kayo guys.
Nakita siya me. Dari pa dyan.
And guys, did you know guys na top seller din siya sa Taft East. Wow. Amazing. So why are we here man be?
So, hello everyone. We're actually gathered all here today to witness the Christmas lighting event. So today we are officially opening the Christmas season here at Taft East Gate.
Ang theme nila kay Christmas tradition.
Yeah.
Ikaw, unsa man imong tradition every
For me,
Christmas?
I think it's really in me that I really want to give because it gives you a different feeling when you give.
Yeah, correct.
So, the more you give, the more you get happier. So that's it for me. That's my tradition of Christmas.
Oh, amazing. That's why blessed kay you share your blessing, and in return kay kita guys agad more blessing. And guys, top seller, di ba pa mega guys.
We actually have 4 projects right now. So if in case you want to know more about it, just contact me.
Yeah, we'll put the link and the number in the
the
description box, guys.
Yes, my name is Jelly Quadra. So just look for me, Jelly.
Yes, so guys, nakal kami siya. Tulog na. Sige guys, susunod na ta. Yes, I'm so excited. Grabe no, diri pa jud ta nagkita. Kano sa matalas na nagkita?
Yes, it's been what? 3 years?
3 years no?
So that's it.
Yes! Kanawa guys. Muna siya ang event. So wala pa siya nag-start actually.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
And guys, nandito rin si Miss Kim and Louise from BYC. Mag-live ka?
Ha?
Mag-live?
I'm going to be live.
Sana all. So nasa dito rin si Ian.
Uy, lamig itag pa mo naman.
Guys, yung outfit ni Ian ba guys, baka murag mas parang ba sa mga natin guys.
Uy, cool man. Tanawa ko ng cameraman ho. Tanawa ko.
Wow,
This celebration is to commemorate a new beginning for Cebuanos in the coming year 2022. Together, we withstood the challenges of the pandemic. Let's sit back and relax as we formally start the traditions of Christmas in Eastgate. Let's welcome our host with a warm, loud round of applause, Miss Earth 2008, Karla Henry Amay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and advance Merry Christmas to everyone. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas!
Ang parking lot, magamit na ba ang parking?
Holiday traditions has become an essential aspect of the way we Filipinos celebrate. There is always a reason why we keep them in our lives for so long. They connect us to our history and help us celebrate generations of success, love, hope, and new beginnings. At this point, may we call on the Gaisano family to please join us in front of our Christmas tree here. Mr. Jack Gaisano, Mrs. Vivian Gaisano, Mr. Edward Gaisano, Mr. Justin Gaisano, Mr. Jason Gaisano, Mr. Harvey Gaisano, Mr. Chris and Meryl Gaisano Gotham, please join us.
And the baby.
And the cute little babies. Together, let us witness Eastgate's tree lighting in the count of 10. Count with me, everyone. 10, 3, 2, 1. It is now officially Christmas season here at Taft Properties.
a year of hope and resilience once again for Taft and its partners and homeowners. Ladies and gentlemen, 3, 2, 1, and cheers to Taft Properties Christmas traditions here at East Gate, Vangie.
Muna sa kaya gitapos na iyan.
Hoy, mawag na i-upload yun. Ang i-announce ka, mag-link yun ang pagkaon. Matagasan ko ba? Oh, grabe.
Uy, ayaw pagpatalo iyan. Baba na. Ganina ka na kayo mo sige nila na managigutom na ka.
Oh, mami. Sayang niya itong outfit na.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Guys, tatay niyo ito, ano? Gift from Taft East Gate. Wow. So, Nadri, Mark and Spencer. And then, we also have some GCs na magamit na mo para mag-purchase sa Metro. Thank you so much. So, I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, guys, make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daysy. And my TikTok is at iamdaysee. So that's all. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beautiful creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Daysfriends!